Mommy, how you doing? Yeah. Guess what? Guess what I'm doing right now? Hold on now. Guess what I'm doing right now? Well, I got an email from Jamaica. Hold on, man. I got an email from Jamaicans.com, right? And they want me to post a video question that's gonna be given to the potential political candidates of Jamaica. I get to ask them a question.
Video question, a video question.
Yeah, I get to ask Portia and Bruce Golden a question.
Oh, you get to ask Bruce Golden a question?
And Portia, both of them. I get to ask them a question. It's going to be online.
You're kidding.
No, I'm dead.
What are you going to ask them? What are you going to ask?
I'm going to ask them, what do you feel? The question will be posted at a town hall meeting in South Florida. That's all the information I've got on it, personally. I would put the question on my page, but it's a good question, and I don't want to give anybody the hint if any of the parties might be watching my stuff and they run back and go spread news and say, hey, prepare for this question. But what I will try to do is after Thursday, after the question is posed or so on and so forth, I will definitely put it on my page.
Oh, you're going to sing
a curveball! Yeah? Yeah. That's a, mommy, that is one big curveball. And knowing them, you're probably going to get this.
It's a curveball. I'm not kidding. That's a good one.
Knowing them, I'm probably going to get this. Hopefully, if I got a response, I will also like to put that on my page as well so you could see it. But till then, stay tuned. I'm going to keep you up to date what's going on. Irie.
Yeah, you're bringing them a curveball for sure.
Well, I'm having to ask a question. Might as well.
Ready is right here. He's chopping again, John. You don't hear the chopping going on.
He up in the tree?
No, he was chopping down the Were you chopping already? It's Jonathan. The white boy. He's chopping. Oh,
white boy, my mother, you know? Goodness me, act like she know white.
Hello?
Renee!
Yes, sir.
How you doing, my friend? You know, do you know you're famous right now?
Oh my God! It's that's how we cut it up field. One left beside the attic.
Okay. Oh yeah, I know that one that got blown down.
Right, like coconut something like.
Okay. Well, Renee, it's good to hear you, man. Good to see you hard at work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, take it easy, my friend.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. Well, listen to me. Good luck. Good question.
Okay. Well, I love you.
Love you too.
Okay.
Let me know what's going on. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, now that you mentioned it, whatchamacallit, it's Thursday that everything's gonna be aired.
Okay. All right, sweetie. Love you here.
Love you too.
Okay. Send to say hi and after.
Okay, we'll do. Bye bye.